Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.